My name is Stanislav Pepeliaev. I am a biotechnology and biopharmaceutical consultant. I support small and large businesses by intensifying bioprocesses using high-throughput approaches, automation, lowering process complexity by systemic approach, etc. I have also served as the process and analytical development team lead in the Jenner Institute at Oxford University. The mission of newly created research facility was to help academic researchers to move prospective drugs from the lab into manufacture by developing scalable and compliant bioprocesses capable of generating enough material for phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials. The Jenner Institute specializes in vaccine research and development, the best example being vaccines against COVID-19, malaria and HIV. When testing the platform, what worked especially well was the process aligned with the 3 pillars I believe make a successful bioprocess: simplicity, efficiency and robustness. When preparing media in-house with using Thermo Fisher Scientific's catalog products like bcd-cct Supreme, the first chemically defined microbial medium, and other off-the-shelf products, I must admit the microbial processes are relatively simple, and the mineral medium can be prepared in the lab easily and cheaply. I guess bringing a chemically defined mineral medium to the market could be perceived as a risk because of that. However, apart from costs, in-house media preparation comes with a lot of drawbacks. The media consists of multiple components, and the process of preparing and mixing these really matters. This takes a lot of time and generates a lot of space for errors. The consistency and robustness suffers too. Moving into a GMP environment brings huge administration burdens of ensuring that supply chains, logistics, SOPs and reports are well maintained. Having a pre-made, GMP-compliant, off-the-shelf, chemically defined medium removes most of these drawbacks. The preparation is so simple that it doesn't leave much room for errors. The bcd-cct feed performed extremely well in my applications, and I am proud I had a chance to be a beta tester. Looking to the future of fermentation and bioprocessing, companies like Thermo Fisher Scientific should focus on enabling innovation by designing products tailored to microbial application that address unmet needs. Integrated solutions should cover the entire workflow, from upstream to analytics, including high-throughput automated fermentation with in-process control, such as Raman spectroscopy, multi-parallel small-scale chromatography, next-gen analytical platforms, and new mutant strains with in vivo and in silico mutagenesis tools. These advances will generate vast amount of data, making robust data processing capabilities, machine learning, mechanistic modeling, or AI-driven approaches essential. Finally, integrated support across all the developmental stages, from early R&D to commercial scale-up, is critical, similar to how bcd-cct medium can be used both in the lab and in the manufacturing. I look forward to seeing Thermo Fisher Scientific continue to empower scientists and transform microbiological bioprocessing through its products and partnerships.